this is Wendy from Pulse PEMF. Oh my gosh, I'm at the Biohacking conference. We're having so much fun. Our new Z Gravity Lounger is amazing. And then we pair that with our cube and our paddles and all the other accessories. People are loving it.
I already feel a little bit more energy, and I know good things are going to happen.
This device is awesome. I've been having some shoulder pain for quite a time, and I actually feel a 25%, more range of motion.
Here we are at Biohacking Conference. It's been a pleasure. Just finished a session. My arm is already feeling much better and ready to go back on court.
You guys just experienced the new Pulse Z-Grav Lounger for the first time. So Julie, what did you think of it?
So it was so comfortable. It just kind of hugs your body and you chill. And then of course, when this turns on, it goes right to the pain. I had pain in my jaw today, went right there. Just puts you kind of in a Zen relaxation state. I love it.
As much as I'm into juice, my business is with health and all the good things you put in your body, I never heard of a machine like this.
Have you been doing pulse electromagnetic frequency?
Over 20 years on just minor pads, not a full body charging system like this.
I've never felt anything like that before either. I feel like I'm having workout and relax. I'm somewhere in between. I can't even tell.
I know. I've got to come back to the planet now.
2, 3, 4.